In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post videos using Zoho Social. Let's get started right from the Zoho Social homepage. Open your browser and head to the Zoho Social website. This is the central hub where you'll manage posts across your connected social channels. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. On the Sign In screen, choose the Google option if that's how your account is set up. Select your Google account, and if it's your first time, approve any permissions so Zoho Social can connect properly. After a moment, you'll land in your Zoho Social dashboard. From here, click New Post to open the Composer. At the top of the Composer, select the social media accounts where you want this video to be published. You can pick one or multiple profiles depending on your plan and your posting needs. It's a good idea to double-check you're posting to the right profiles, especially if you manage multiple brands. Next, click the option to attach media. This opens your choices for adding your video. Choose Media Library if you already have your video stored there, or upload from your computer if the file is on your desktop. Using the Media Library can save time if you collaborate with a team or reuse assets. Now select the video you want to post and click Attach. You'll see an upload or processing indicator. Give it a moment to finish. Upload time depends on your file size and connection speed. If your video is large, consider compressing it beforehand to speed things up and avoid platform limits. Once the video is attached, you may be prompted to choose a thumbnail. Pick one of the suggested frames or upload a custom thumbnail for a more branded look. A clear, engaging thumbnail can significantly improve clicks and views. Now add your caption. Keep it concise, relevant, and tailored to the platforms you selected. If you use hashtags, add only what's meaningful to the content and your audience. You can also include a short call to action to guide viewers on what to do next, like visiting a link in your bio or leaving a comment. Before publishing, review the publishing options. You can post immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Scheduling is great for hitting peak engagement hours. Just make sure your time zone settings are correct in your account. When everything looks good, click Post. If you scheduled the video, it will appear in your calendar. If you chose to publish now, Zoho Social will begin sending it to the selected channels. That's it, your video is on its way to your audience.